Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. We've got another great recipe for you today for Veganuary, day 13. So people have been asking for some quick lunches. This is quick any time of the day. I would eat this for breakfast, I would eat this for lunch, or I would eat it for dinner or snack. I'd go in the refrigerator in between meals and eat it too. So it's super quick. You can use, it's very customizable. You could use any kind of noodles you want, but unfortunately I am gluten-free, so I am stuck using rice noodles. Or I really like the mung bean noodles. Those are really good too. Check those out at the supermarket. They're nice and chewy and they're very stretchy. So today though, I'm using the rice noodles. And this is going to come together super quick. So I'm going to start off by struggling with this package.
You can do it.
No, I'm going to call in scissors to help me out. Thanks, scissors. Alright, so this is a 1 pound, size medium. Not like me. So I'm going to open this 1 pound package of noodles and put it in my bowl. And I'm going to cover it with some boiling water that I just waited forever to boil. It seemed like it took forever. You know how they say, watch kettle never boils?
That's what they say.
So true. It'd be ideal if it covered it, but I'll take that. We'll try and shove it down a little bit. There, that's better. Alright, so this is going to sit and absorb and kind of cook while we're preparing the rest of the ingredients over here. So I'm just going to keep this super simple. I'm going to put some mushrooms. I've got some leftover scallions. This is for my sauce. And I'm going to do kimchi.
Yum.
I love kimchi, and I just realized that they make spicy kimchi and they make not spicy kimchi. So this is original, which tells me this is probably a little spicy.
Uh-oh.
The one I had last time was not spicy at all.
We have baby mouths.
We do have baby mouths. But the great thing about kimchi, now they make it vegan for the most part. It used to have fish sauce in it. But all the brands that I'm seeing around here are vegan, so that's really nice. And it's also gluten-free, and it's delicious. It adds so much flavor. It's got cabbage. I think it's got bok choy in here too. Green onion. Good stuff. So let's start by turning on our giant pot, as my mom would say. She was like, why'd you get that giant pot? It's too big. You're going to drop it. Am I right?
Yes. That was pretty accurate.
Yeah. So, the thing is, I love a giant pot because I slop stuff around and I'm tired of cleaning up off the floor and the stove. And, I'm very messy. So I'm going to use a little hot chili oil to saute. You don't have to. You could just not use it. But I'm going to use it because I like the flavor. Oh, honey, smell that.
Ooh, it smells really good.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
So it's going to add a lot of flavor. I'm only going to use a little bit because this can be quite spicy. I made the mistake of dumping a whole bunch of this in when I did a stir fry for the holidays, right? Yeah. Everybody was coughing and choking because the smoke was spicy as well. So
take it easy on that.
Take it easy on that. It goes a long way. So I'm going to start by sauteing my mushrooms. This is a whole 8-ounce package of mushrooms. Probably could have waited a little bit for that pan to get hotter, but I gotta get out of here. I'm in a hurry. So this is going to saute for just a minute. Alright, this has been sauteing for 3 to 4 minutes. So we're going to start by adding in our kimchi. Hope it doesn't explode on me.
You can do it. It's meant to open over the sink.
Ooh, it farted a little bit. Ooh, look at that bubble.
Fermenting, baby.
Woo! That's perfectly normal, by the way. So I'm going to put about half the jar, because that's a whole pound of noodles, so. Oh, it's so good. It's really packed in there.
It really smells like farts, too.
Yeah. That's okay. That smell will cook away.
Oh, yeah, it's going to be delicious. Yeah. I'm not worried about it.
And then give it a stir. We're also going to add in our seasonings. So I'm using garlic paste, but you can use, you know, fresh garlic. You could use garlic powder. I'm going to say that's probably like 3 to 4 cloves worth. For my acid, I'm using this toasted sesame rice vinegar, and the reason why I really like the toasted sesame is I love using toasted sesame oil as a finishing oil on my Asian dishes, but this one adds the flavor of having that oil without the extra calories of the added oil. And not even the calories. Sometimes you just don't want it to be too oily because it'll make you feel sick afterwards. So I'm just going to do like 2 tablespoons of that because I really like vinegar. And I have my gluten-free soy sauce. I'm also going to do 2 to 3 tablespoons of this. Oh, it comes out so delicately.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful.
And then I'm going to give that a quick stir and we'll be ready to add in our noodles. Very quick. Alright, so I'm just going to pour a little bit of this water off because I don't want to dump it all into the pot. Don't dump it, it's heavy. And it's hot. Don't dump it in the sink.
Yeah, no dumpies, please.
You can leave a little bit of water in there, that's fine, because that's gonna, the noodles are still gonna cook after you put it in here a little bit because they're still a little al dente. Whoops. They go all over.
Remember when you talked about how you slop things up?
Yep. So now, this is the easy part. You just cook this until the noodles are done. I mean, they're still a little firm now, so it's gonna take just a couple minutes of stir frying this for the noodles to be completely cooked, and then we'll be ready to eat. We'll be ready to slop it up. Alright, last step is the green onions. I don't like to add these too soon because I don't want them to be all wilty and gross. I like them still to have a lot of fragrance and flavor. So I just add these right before I'm ready to serve. I give it a stir and then I plate. Yeah, baby, slop it up. Alright, I'm going to serve this, and it's probably best to use a spaghetti fork.
Mm-hmm.
And Maddie just can't wait to taste this super hot food.
I'm going to let it sit for a minute.
Put a little kimchi on top.
Mmm.
And then you eat with the eyes as well, so we're also going to put some of these toasted sesames on the top.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Alright, here it is. Who's ready and not in focus?
That's okay, because I didn't get ready yet today. I'm still exercising, so...
Too late, we've seen it all.
Oh my god, this smells so good.
Who doesn't
and it looks
love kimchi?
very, very hot.
Well, make sure you blow on it.
I said I wanted to wait longer, and she said no.
Well, I gotta get out of here. This is in a hurry. This is lunch in a hurry.
Uh-huh. All right, let's get a taste.
I think it'll be fine.
You always say that. Sorry. I think I breathed in like some of the
hot
part.
Yeah. The spicy part, you mean?
Mmm. Very nice.
All right.
I
See?
need a mushroom.
You didn't burn yourself. Yeah, get a piece of cabbage there too.
Mm-hmm. I love the kimchi in here.
Yeah. I love a good fried rice with kimchi in it as well. It just elevates it so much.
Yeah, I think the chili oil really is nice too with the mushrooms.
Yeah.
The mushrooms are just
delightful, right?
wonderful. All right, one more bite.
The mushrooms take on just enough of the spicy chili oil to be interesting.
Yeah, it's not. Sorry.
It's not overly spicy.
It's not overly spicy.
Not like that hot and sour soup that I made for the holidays. Woo!
No.
That just blew my brains out.
Yeah, this was delish though.
Oh, thank you.
Can't wait to have that for lunch today.
Well, I hope you guys give it a try because it was quick.
Yeah,
and if you're looking for quick, this is it.
Yeah. So thank you all so much for watching. Let us know if you give it a try, and we'll see you next time. So thank you again, and much love.